My name is Sagar, and in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of Xbox One. Here is my Xbox One and I have already opened it, so let us see what is there inside it. So you can see there is a controller. This one is the controller, and I have also got some games: Fantasia, then Forza Motorsport, Kinect Sports Rivals, and Watch Dogs. So these 4 games I have got. Then this is one cable and this is one headset. I'm going to put it outside. So let's see what is there. This one is Kinect. This is used for some of the games where we need motion sensors. In this there is a motion sensor. So I'm gonna put it over here. And this is our main Xbox machine. It is called as Xbox One. They have also come up with Xbox One S and One X. One X is the largest version of this Xbox. So this is just like our computer. You can see this is called as Xbox One console, Microsoft Corporation. Hello friends, today I will show you how you can set up your Xbox with your TV and play games on Xbox. So here you can see that I have got this Xbox. This is a controller and this is the main Xbox machine. So this is the main Xbox machine and this is the controller. So to set up this thing, what you have to do is, and you can see here I have got TV as well. To set up this thing, what you have to do is that with the Xbox you will get 2 main cables. One is power supply cable. You can see that there is one power supply cable. You can see that this is a Xbox power cable. You can see the logo as well. So this pin looks like this one. So the other end of this will go to the power supply, power socket. So just attach to power socket, and then this end will go on the back side over here. You can see this is the Xbox logo. So just insert it over here. And another one, a second cable you will get, that is HDMI cable. So what you have to do is that this is HDMI cable. The one end of that HDMI cable is gonna go over here. You can see that HDMI out or to TV, it is also mentioned over there. So one end should go here in the Xbox machine, and the other end should go to the TV. So here you can see that I have got TV, and at the back side I have attached that this there should be a HDMI port in your TV. If there is no HDMI port, then you can't use Xbox with your TV. So make sure that your TV has got a HDMI port. So I have attached that to the HDMI port over here. And once that is done, all you have to do is that you have to start the power supply. Now I will show you how you can connect the power supply. So you can see that this is the power supply cable. Now this is the power unit. So one end of this will be going here. So you can see that there is a power supply. I'm gonna just start this. So once power supply is on, to start the Xbox you have to click on this button. This is the power on or off button of the Xbox machine. So or it is already automatically started. Then also you have to start the TV and make sure that HDMI port is selected. Now there are 2 HDMI ports for my TV. One is I'm using with Google Chromecast, and another is Xbox One. So on your TV remote there should be one source button where you can select HDMI, different HDMI ports as well. So if you click here source, you can see that right now Xbox is selected. Okay, so the Xbox is started, and now I'm gonna show you how you can use this controller with Xbox. Now you can see that this light is not turned on. So over here what you have to do is that you have to just press that once, and then it will start. So you can see that this controller is powered by the batteries. So down there you can just open this and see that there is batteries as well. And once this button is turned on and this button is turned on, that means that you are ready to start your Xbox. So play the games. So this, once you click on this button, home screen will appear. And to play the games, what you have to do is you have to, there you can see that there is a button to open the CD. So you can see that I have already added one CD over here, so you can buy any game and then CD game in the CD formats and just push it like that, and once it is done you are ready to play the games. So you can see the game has started now, and to play the games you can use these buttons Y, X, A, B. Normally the color you have to see like on the screen. If the color of the button is in green, then you have to click on this button A, that means OK, or depending upon whatever screen you are seeing. So you can see that on the screen it is saying press A to start, so I can press A. So you can see on this control there is button A, so just click on that and then it will start the game. So just follow the instructions on the screen. It will tell you like which button you have to press. If there is no button, then you have to press based upon the color. So you can see at the bottom there it is saying that to select press A, then to go back you can press B, then to switch the profile you can use this button, and to select different options you can use this joystick like that. So I selected this car now. I'm gonna continue this game, and you can see at the bottom it is saying continue, so I'm gonna press A. So now the game is starting. You can see the counter now, 3, 2 and 1. So to accelerate you can use this button, this one. To turn you can use this button, the thumb one, left thumb, and that's how you can play the games. To pause the game you can press this button, and then to start again you can again press the same button. So you can see that resume button is appearing. To again resume the game you can press again this A button. You can see that the game is started. That's how you can play this or set up the Xbox. To turn off the Xbox, what you have to do is that you have to press this button, and then in the settings you can see at the bottom you can see that turn off console, this thing. So to select that you can see that it is shown in the green color background. This button A is also in green color, so you have to select A, and you can see that this turn off your Xbox. Select turn off once again, and then Xbox is turned off. If you have more questions related to the Xbox setup, let me know through the comments. In upcoming videos I will be showing you how you can use the controller with cable, like if you do not want to use the controller with the batteries, because it will drain out your batteries very quickly. So most of the people will prefer to use the controller without battery. So in next video I'm going to show you how you can use the controller without battery, and also I will explain in detail like what are the different features and functionalities of the buttons on the controllers as well. And I'll also tell you how to play different types of games in Xbox. Thanks for watching this video.